AI and TradingView have been connected before, but every version has the same two problems. Most people are screenshotting their chart and throwing it into Claude or even ChatGPT. And by the time you get a reading back, the candles have already moved. You are trading on stale data. The setups that do connect properly, they require you to clone GitHub repos, edit JSON files, run terminal commands, and if you are not into all of that technical stuff, then you are unfortunately pretty stuck. But in this video, we fixed both. Claude reads your TradingView chart live at the code level, not from a screenshot. The exact candle values, the indicator readings, all of it updating in real time. And the setup, one prompt, just one. You paste it in, you say yes, and you are completely done. There's no terminal, there's no coding, no configuration. You are done in under 4 minutes, and that's what I'm showing you in today's video. I'm going to be showing you the setup, a live demo, and everything that this can actually do. And real quick, if you want the master prompt and all my tutorial guides, they are all in the free school community. The link is down in the description below. Go and check it out. There's a lot of people already there, and I know that you are going to love it. And also, just another quick heads up, this is not financial advice. We are only showing you the actual setup and also the capabilities that you can do with it. Always do your own research, but for now, let's get started. So why is this MCP connection so different? When you screenshot a chart and you paste it into an AI, the AI is looking at pixels, and the moment you take that screenshot, it's already out of date. This MCP connection is different. Claude is reading the live code behind your TradingView chart, the actual values, updating in real time, and our master prompt handles all the configurations, the technical setups, all of that automatically. You, luckily, don't have to touch any of it. So now that you've got that, let's jump in. First, you are going to open up Claude Code on your desktop. Then you're going to paste in our master prompt. You can find it down in the description below over at our free school community. And I mean, come on guys, you already know that we show you everything over here for free. Okay, so all you're gonna do is just go into the free school community, you're gonna copy it, and that is literally the only thing that you need to do. Now here's exactly what's happening behind the scenes while it runs, and I'll walk you through all of this so that you completely understand what it's doing. Now, it clones the TradingView MCP GitHub repo automatically, and it configures the MCP connection between Claude and TradingView. It creates the rules JSON file, and that's where your watch list lives, and also your bias criteria and your risk rules. It sets up the 12-hour update feature, which I'll show you in just a second, and it launches TradingView with the debug port enabled so Claude can read it live. Now, all of that happens on its own. Now, at a couple of points, it's going to ask you to confirm something. All you have to do is just say yes, and you'll do that about twice. Now, that's it for now. It'll take you about, let's say, 3 to 4 minutes, and that is basically the full setup, and then it's done. Now, we built this prompt specifically so that you don't have to figure all of this stuff out. The whole point is that you focus on the trading, not on the configuration. Because, I mean, the trading is the fun part. Now, the original TradingView MCP was created by Trades Don't Lie on GitHub. Now, they built the core, the 78 tools, the connection layer, the Pine script integration. That's basically the foundation that everything runs on. Now, let me show you what it actually does. I'm going to type a couple of things in just like I'm talking to someone. I'm going to say, let's say, show me Bitcoin on the weekly. And there we go. It's done. The chart switched instantly. Okay, let's type in add RSI, and there it is. Now, here's the one that I think is the most useful feature in this entire setup, and that is the 12-hour update. So I'm going to type in run my 12-hour update. Now, I want you to take a look and I want you to watch what happens. Claude goes through every single asset on my watch list. It reads the chart, it reads all the indicators, it checks the multiple time frames, and then it delivers a structured report to me. For each asset you get, bullish, bearish, or neutral, key price levels to watch, what indicators are saying, and what to watch out for next. This is something that used to take me, let's say, 30 to 45 minutes every morning going chart by chart. Now, it's just one command away. Still not impressed? Well, let me show you how far this actually goes. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to switch to Heiken Ashi candles, and the chart type changes instantly. Now let's add Bollinger Bands, okay, and there, they appear. Now remove RSI, and it's gone. Screenshot my chart, and then see, it saves a clean capture directly to file. And this is basically useful for journaling or sharing your setups. Let's try something different. Let me type in what are my current indicator readings. The RSI, the MACD, the EMAs, all of it returned in one response. No clicking through each indicator individually, just one question. That's everything that you need. Now let's see if I use analyze my chart. This one is even better. Claude pulls the current quote. It reads every indicator on the chart. It identifies key levels. It takes a screenshot and it combines all of it into one structured answer. It's basically like having an analyst sitting right next to you. And this one is powerful. Let's say, what does Bitcoin look like on the weekly versus the daily versus the 4H? Let's try it out. And there you can see it. Claude switches between all three time frames. It reads each one and it gives you a single comparison. So that means no flipping charts yourself, no time to remember what the weekly looked like while you're staring at the 4-hour. It's all over here and it's all in one answer. So let's try something else. Are BTC and ETH moving together right now? Compare their RSI and MACD. There you can see the correlation scan. It's instant. Okay, so show me Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon on the weekly and tell me which tech stocks look the strongest. Okay, there you can see the sector rotation check in one sentence. Claude goes through all four and then it literally ranks them for me. Now this is where it gets genuinely impressive. I'm going to type in create an indicator that shows buy and sell labels when RSI crosses 30 or 70 and price is above or below the 200 EMA. I mean, just take a look at that. Think about what just happened. I described a multi-condition signal system in plain English and Claude wrote the Pine script, injected it into TradingView and compiled it all for me. That's a custom indicator on my chart right now from one sentence. No Pine script knowledge whatsoever, none of it needed. No searching through forums, no copying someone else's code and trying to figure it all out, which line to edit and stuff. You just describe the logic that you want and it builds it for you. And if something's off, if you want to tweak it, if you want to tweak a condition, you want to maybe change a threshold, you want to add in a filter, you just tell Claude, make it only trigger when volume is above average. And then you are done. It rewrites the script and it recompiles it. You are iterating on strategy ideas as fast as you can talk. Now that is just one prompt. That's all it took. Claude is now reading your charts live, switching assets by voice, scanning your entire watch list, and writing Pine scripts from a single sentence. This is how I interact with my charts every single day from now. The master prompt is completely free. There's no paywall included. The link is down in the description below. It's in our free school community and it has all the prompts, all the guides, and all the workflows. And now, since you made it all the way till the end of this video, I'm pretty sure that you enjoyed yourself. So give this video a like, subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification so that you never miss another update. And also, let us know down in the comments if there's a specific AI question that you have and we can answer it in an upcoming video. Let us know. And also, thank you so much for watching and I will catch you on the next one.